Hello students, in this video I have given some important key points under the topic self-help groups. This is very important question, so watch this video without skipping. Let's look into the video. So the first point is self-help groups are small group of poor people which promote small savings among their members. So they used to save some amount in that group and they used to give name for that group. Okay, then a typical SHG has 15 to 20 members, usually belonging to one neighborhood, who meet and save regularly. So this is how the SHG function. If the group is regular in savings, they can be eligible for getting loans from the banks. The banks used to give loans in the name of their group. Okay, using that loans they can meet some expenses. Advantages of self-help groups, that is, it helps the borrowers to overcome the problem of lack of collateral, and people can get timely loan for a variety of purpose at a reasonable interest rate. Then the third point, SHGs are the building blocks of organization of the rural poor. This is very important point, so you must include this point. And fourth point, it helps women to become financially self-reliant. The regular meeting of the group provide a platform to discuss about variety of social issues. Particularly, they used to discuss about health, nutrition and domestic violence. That's all. I hope you like it. Take notes of these points and study well. All the best for your board exam. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video till the end.